Hi, my name is Vanessa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use La Roche-Posay Tolerant Dermo Cleanser, which is suitable for all skin types including sensitive skin, and it's a very gentle and basic formulation that's fragrance free. You can use this cleanser daily in the morning and or evening to remove any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, as well as light sunscreen and or makeup, and it's going to leave the skin very hydrated and soft afterwards. Now remember to apply this cleanser to dry skin. So go ahead, grab your cleanser and dispense 1 to 2 pumps onto the palm of your hand or fingertips. About that much. Then rub your hands together and then either apply it to your dry bare skin and massage it all over for about 30 seconds, or on top of your sunscreen and or makeup to properly break it down for up to 2 minutes if needed. And you can use the cleanser around the eyes as well as on top of your lips. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. And now go ahead and rinse it off using lukewarm water to warm water around body's temperature, but avoid hot water, otherwise it may dry out your skin. Now when washing your face above the sink, using your hands alone can leave some traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup behind. Therefore I recommend using a soft clean washcloth, which you're going to wet, then squeeze it out and then use the damp washcloth to gently swipe across your face and neck to remove those last traces, which usually get stuck along the hairline or even around the eyes. Now I recommend rinsing again. And then go ahead, take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove any excess water drops from the skin's surface to ensure proper layering, absorption and avoiding sensitivities when then continuing with the rest of your skincare routine. Once you're done with your cleansing step, you can stop right here and leave it as it is, or follow with your usual morning or evening skincare routine afterwards, and then there you have it. Now if you currently do not have a skincare routine, however you're looking into individual products, maybe even to some extent La Roche-Posay treatments, well then I want to share with you some example skincare routines that you may want to recreate at home. Now let's get started with the morning skincare routine, which you can see right here, which first of all keeps the focus on hydrating the skin, give you a temporary plumping effect, as well as boost collagen production, fade hyperpigmentation and fights free radicals, as your vitamin C is a great antioxidant. And then don't forget your sunscreen during daytime if you have sun exposure. Then for the evening, I came up with 2 example skincare routines, which if you want to follow both, make sure to not use those treatments in the same routine, but instead use them on alternate days. The first evening routine would look like this, where you are going to include an exfoliant, which then helps to let go of the dead skin cells, which then also helps to smoothen your textured skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles and fading blemishes, and then following on with hydration and give you a temporary plumping effect, and lastly, if needed, you can follow with a moisturizer afterwards. As for the second evening skincare routine, we are going to work with a retinol zone, which is a great anti-aging zone to help with your fine lines and wrinkles, fade hyperpigmentation and boost collagen production. And again, if needed, you can follow with a moisturizer afterwards. And then there you have it. Now, if you want to go over the example routines in your own time, you'll find the PowerPoint in the description box down below. After the example routines, you'll find the product description box part, which goes over the treatments that I have emphasized in my example skincare routines with a little description next to it for whom it is suitable and what they specifically do for you, so that you then can select the right treatments. Now, there's one little note that I want to emphasize, and this is when it comes to the exfoliant. If you have sensitive skin, you may not want to work with the exfoliant that La Roche-Posay offers, as it can easily lead to stinging or burning, so keep this in mind. Remember, the entire PowerPoint is in the description box, and you can even save it to your device. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to look into more educational skincare content, check out my YouTube channel for much more. And I will see you there. Happy skincaring!